And now it's time for Raleigh, Trolley, and Rockford. Hardcore fans, the ship of the day is Patricia, the purple pentagon. She's a purple pentagon. Purple is made of blue and red. The pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Let's play again. How many pentagons can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pentagons. Nice. Yeah. Bye-bye. Let's head to the kitchen. Hardcore fans, today we know that sea anemones. We heard that sea anemones sting and can kill fish. But why not the clownfish? Maybe because it eats cheese and anemones hate cheese? Let's find out. Let's eat anemone anemone. Woo! Nom 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 nom. Oh, I hate cheese. Oh. Oh. Holy mother of creatures, big and small. That hurts. Well, bon appetit. And remember, when the anemone stings you, just say, no.